Unit 4. The Middle Ages and Early Modern World. The Middle Ages is a historical period spanning approximately from 500 AD to 1500 AD. It marks the transition between the ancient world and the early modern period. This era begins with the decline of the Western Roman Empire. The Middle Ages precedes the rise of early capitalist relations. It is a significant epoch in the history of Europe. The era is characterized by distinct social, political, and economic structures. The transition from the Middle Ages to the early modern world brought significant economic changes. Feudalism declined, altering traditional economic and social structures. Early capitalist relations emerged, laying the groundwork for new economic systems. These shifts set the stage for the economic structures of the modern era. The early modern period spanned from 1500 AD to 1789 AD. This era concluded with the French Revolution, a watershed moment in history. The period is defined by significant political and social transformations. These changes fundamentally reshaped global society and governance. 4.1. The European Middle Ages. The Western Roman Empire faced internal instability, contributing to its decline. The separation from the wealthier Eastern Roman Empire in 395 AD further weakened the West. Germanic tribes from Scandinavia and Central Europe began pressuring the empire's borders. These pressures on the northern and northeastern frontiers started as early as the 3rd century AD. In the 5th century AD, Germanic tribes migrated due to pressure from the Huns. These tribes began invading Roman territories, seeking new lands and resources. Around 416 AD, the Visigoths invaded Spain, establishing a presence in the Iberian Peninsula. Around 450 AD, Angles, Jutes, and Saxons settled in Britain, marking the beginning of Anglo-Saxon England. In the 482 AD, the Franks established a kingdom in Gaul, which is modern-day France. Around the same time, the Ostrogoths invaded Italy, contributing to the fall of Rome in 476 AD. Germanic invasions led to the fragmentation of the Roman Empire. This fragmentation caused the collapse of centralized governance and trade networks. Populations migrated from urban centers to rural areas, transitioning into peasant communities. Ancient Roman literature, architecture, painting, and sculpture experienced a period of decline. The Roman Christian Church provided leadership, maintained order, collected taxes, and offered essential services, preserving elements of Roman civilization.